Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars Faster V3 Airflow leather jacket. Okay, the all-new Faster V3 Airflow leather jacket retails for $449 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we never update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. $449 is actually a reasonable price now for a leather jacket.
Sure is.
Welcome to how shit is. So,
Yeah.
Yeah, those prices have all crept up quite a bit. Let's start off with sizing.
I'm 5'11", 165 pounds, and I'm wearing a 50. And as you can see, give him a 360.
Get out of the way, Dad.
Yeah.
Give me a 360, man.
It's got a proper fit. It's a race fit. Feels a little loose in the
Little operating room there,
the
but it looks
operating
good,
room.
dude.
It looks good, man. It's a good. I mean, you have the adjustment straps here to make a big difference, but I like it. I like it.
Fits you really well. This jacket is a proper summer leather riding jacket.
Yeah.
Epic amount of perforation,
Hell yeah.
right?
It's great.
The whole torso is
torso.
perforated. All the stretch fabric's going to flow air.
It's good.
Tons of perf here in the upper arm.
It's got ventilation for the back, as you can see.
No race hump, very clean back here. Stretch fabric there, stretch here. Massive perforated panel there. Screen printed iconic Alpinestars logos.
Big pockets in the front.
Yeah, they really did a good job of that.
Fit the big old iPhones. So.
Well, if you're going to put your phone there, but there's
Yeah.
pockets inside the jacket that might be a better option for phone storage, my friend.
Okay.
Including the waterproof pocket, which I will show in the second part of this video. So, what does this jacket come with? Is it airbag ready? You can use this with your Tech Air 5. I suppose if you could use it with your Tech Air 5, you could also use the new Tech Air 7X in the universal vest configuration. A note on sizing there. If you were going to use an airbag vest with this, what would you do?
Go up a whole size to 52, just because everything is kind of to the max right now, I feel like.
Yeah.
Especially in the shoulders and in the arms. Doesn't really matter for the arms when it comes down to the airbag, but the shoulders is a big
100%.
up. Because for me, when I look up, when I think about airbag sizing and airbag fitment, I want enough room to breathe. And if I have enough room to breathe, I'm okay.
You have enough room for deployment too.
Yeah, so.
Super important. And when you think about Max's height and weight too, I would say for a size 50 Euro
Yeah.
in this cut,
Yeah.
you are at the top.
I'm at the top, like 165 at the most. I don't have a big chest or anything.
You are at the top of it. Now,
So.
what does this jacket include armor-wise, right? Whether you're going to use the airbag or not. It comes with CE Level 2 armor in the elbow and forearm. It's a BTAC piece. CE Level 1 armor, very low profile stuff.
Yeah.
It's their BioFlex armor. It's used in the shoulder. And remember, you have this external shoulder cup that kind of works in conjunction with that armor underneath to bolster the protection in that area. So you have plenty of protection in the arm. The jacket has pockets, both front and back, to accept Alpinestars armor inserts. If you don't plan to use an airbag, we 100% recommend you at a minimum, yes,
I'm a back protector.
get a back protector. If you don't want the chest armor, that's one thing, but to ride around with an exposed spine, just not a great idea, especially if you're going to invest in a jacket like this. This jacket is capable of accepting the standard length or the extended length Alpinestars back protector inserts. I'll give you a much closer visual of what that looks like in the second portion of this video when we have this jacket off of Max. The front of the coat is also able to accept their chest armor inserts. They slide right in. It's super easy to do. It takes that protection to the next level. We've got interior storage pockets, large exterior storage pockets.
Of course.
Right? Just
Nice closure on the wrist. Is pretty form-fitting down there, which is pretty unique. It looks cool. It's
yeah, and the aesthetics of this is a good looking coat.
Yeah, it's bright. Pops. It's a good color.
Yeah, iconic logo. They do a great job with the color blocking. The use of the logo is outstanding. I want to give them a look at the back. Super, super clean. Really like this coat. I like this price point a lot, and I think for many riders, if you're looking for that summer leather riding jacket, this is really a very solid option. There is no insulated liner with this. It just has a fixed mesh liner. I can still speak English,
Yeah.
I think, right? fixed mesh liner inside the jacket because the whole theme here is ultimate cooling. If you like what you see and you want some more details, stay tuned for the second part. We're going to get this jacket off of Max, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. An inside-out look at the all-new Alpinestars Faster V3 Airflow leather jacket. Let's start off with the armor that is included. Comes with CE Level 1 BioFlex armor in the shoulder, right? Low profile, moldable, flexible, super comfortable, right? Level 1 CE certified. In the elbow and forearm, got a BTAC piece here that is CE Level 2 certified. Once again, very moldable, flexible, and comfortable. This jacket, as we spoke about earlier in the video, is compatible with your Tech Air 5 if you have it. If you want to run the Tech Air 7X in the standalone vest configuration, you can also use it like that, wear it under the jacket, and really take the protection it offers to that next level. You can also, and we highly recommend this, if you're not going to use an airbag system, you can install one of the many Alpinestars back protector inserts. This jacket is capable of accepting either the standard or the extended full-length piece, right? The way to identify that is if you have a jacket and it has this additional silver-colored mesh at the bottom, right? That will allow you to put the full coverage piece in, gives you a little more protection for the bottom of the spine. Additionally, if you want to run chest armor, this jacket has pockets you can access right here with these Velcro closures. Slide the chest armor in, do the Velcro up, and you'll have yourself protection front, back, and on all the corners. The jacket itself, tremendous perforation with this coat, thus the airflow tag, right? Huge perforated panel here in the back, Alpinestars screen printed logo back here. Generous amount of four-way stretch is being used. This makes the jacket more comfortable, also flows air freely. Volume adjustment can be found at the waist using the four-way stretch along with the Velcro. Allows you to, instead of using leather down there in that area, if you need to adjust this bunches up much easier. It's less bulky, right? And remember, all this fabric is very abrasion and tear resistant. Your main impact area is going to be here and on the elbows and shoulders, so you can get away with using something that's lighter, more comfortable, and stretchy, right, in those non-impact areas, as Alpinestars is done with this one. You can see here, base of the neck, that's all stretch fabric, cool Astars screen printed logo. Here's the sleeve done in leather, some screen printing there, looks great. Perforation there. Integrated shoulder slider is going to work in conjunction with the shoulder armor to increase protection in that area. Get to the front of the coat. We're going to stay with that heavily perforated theme. The entire chest and abdomen of the jacket. The leather is fully perforated, some kick-ass screen printing. And then on the outsides of that, you have all this stretch fabric, right? Super comfortable is what this jacket is. That's all going to flow air freely. External storage. You've got these large hand warmer style pockets. I wear 2X or 3X gloves, right? That pocket's huge. You can get your hand in and out of there, no problem. Comfort lined collar. Inside the coat, we have a fixed mesh liner. There's your pockets once again for the chest armor. Storage pocket. There's a slide pocket here on this side. We have a waterproof storage pocket to access the back protector compartment. Undo the Velcro here. It's a dual stage pocket. One would be for the full, one would be for the standard. You choose which one's going to work best for you. We highly recommend, if you're not using the airbag, get one or the other. To access the inside of the coat, right, to get to the armor and such, undo this zipper right here. You get in between the liner and the outer shell of the jacket. If you want to run a pair of the Alpinestars riding pants and have yourself a two-piece suit, here is a zipper that attaches to any of the current Alpinestars riding pants. Get yourself a nice two-piece suit. All in all, I really like this jacket. I think they've done a good job with keeping the price reasonable. So many of the jackets now, the prices are creeping up in that $700 range. You know, we're in that 450 range. I think you're getting a lot of jacket for that. And this is one that makes a tremendous amount of sense on the street. Given all the perforation and all the stretch paneling that it uses, it's going to flow a ton of air and it's going to wear very, very comfortable, while still, of course, having the ability to protect you in the event of the unthinkable, because it does happen sometimes. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.